Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. Everything in this world has censorship, which has been the ultimate bad guy throughout history. From ancient civilizations, silencing dissenting voices, to modern-day internet overlords, suppressing content, mostly just cat videos, but you get the idea. Nowadays, LLMs are also being censored. Although there is an ongoing debate about whether censorship is good or not, the major concern with LLMs being censored is that they become aligned and biased. This can hinder the model's performance when using it for research that may be controversial in nature. In some cases, it also makes the model slower because it needs to compare the input and output with a censorship algorithm imposed on it. When Llama 3 launched, it suppressed these censorships to a limit, but it was not fully uncensored or unbiased. To address this, Cognitive Computations recently launched their Dolphin Llama-3 model. If you're unfamiliar with Dolphin models, they have been around for a while and are known for uncensoring multiple open-source models. They had already done this with Mixtral, Llama 2, and other open-source models, and the recent addition to their group is the Llama 3 model. Today, we'll be testing this model. Let's first look at their Hugging Face page. To start, this model is based on the base LLAMA-3-8b. Here, they explain that the base model has an 8K context, and full-weight fine-tuning was done with a 4K sequence length. One thing I really like about this model is that it was trained with full parameters and fine-tuning, FFT, using the ChatML prompt template format. This makes it stick to user commands better than Meta's own prompt format. If you're familiar with older Dolphin models, you'll know they excel at coding skills as well. According to their description, Dolphin 2.9 has a variety of instruction, conversational, and coding skills. They have also added some more capabilities to this model, including initial agentic capabilities and function calling support. By agentic capabilities, it means the model can concisely divide a user's given prompt into multiple concise prompts and pass them on to other models. They also claim that the Dolphin model is uncensored, having filtered the dataset to remove alignment and bias, making the model more compliant. Looking at the datasets used to train the model, we can see they used 3 datasets. Hugging Face's UltraChat 200K, a dataset of multiple users' chat history. OpenHermes, a diverse dataset of general knowledge. And a third similar dataset. Okay, now let's try it out. It's available on a Llama, so let's get it installed and check it out. Okay, so now I have it installed here. Let's ask it to write 10 sentences with the word apple. Okay, so it does it. Pretty cool. Let's ask it for a Python script to make a snake game. Okay, pretty cool. It's really great, works pretty well, and is uncensored and unbiased. Amazing. Let me know if you liked this model in the comments, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.